The national animal. Tiger, the lord of Indian jungles, is the national animal of India. Its zoological name is Panthera tigris. Tiger is a rich-colored, well-striped animal with a short coat. The combination of grace, strength, agility, and enormous power has earned the tiger high esteem the world over. Because of the decline in its number, the Project Tiger was launched in 1973, under which there are 18 national protected areas for tigers. Since then, the tiger population has shown us an increases. Till 1940s, there were 8 known subspecies of the animal. Out of the 8 species known, the